Welcome everyone. As you can see, today I am outside this beautiful park in Arcadia. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making a penne pasta with a marinara and Alfredo sauce. It's going to be a mixture of the two sauce, so it's going to be a vodka sauce. So when you cook the penne pasta, it says cook to 11 to 12 minutes, but you want to undercook it about 1.5 minutes because we're going to be finishing it up in the pan here. So I already have the pan preheated. Let's get started. So I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil here. Then what I'm going to be adding next will be the garlic, and then I'm going to saute with the sauteed tomatoes. I'm going to saute that for a little bit. Then I'm going to garnish at the end with some cilantro. So as you can see, or maybe not, I'm going to start now sauteing the diced tomatoes. All right. So I'll have the diced tomatoes ready. There we go. Okay, you can start to see how hot it is. All right, tomatoes in, and then the garlic, because I don't want the garlic to burn. Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo! Now that's some fire. So as that's cooking, I'm chopping the butter. So give this 1.5 minutes. So now I'm going to start garnishing and cutting up the cilantro. All right, the cilantro is ready. Toss in the penne pasta. Saute this up a little bit. All right, a little pinch of pepper. Chili flakes actually. Put in about 2 tablespoons of sauce, red sauce. Then a tablespoon of the Alfredo sauce. Just a little bit. There we go. Saute it together. Mix it together. On high heat here. What's going to happen is the juice, the tomato juice, is going to come out a little bit. It's watery. So then it's going to do its magic and keep the sauce a little bit more liquid. Fine. All right. So I'm just going to let it cook and simmer down for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to plate. So I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Welcome back everyone. So as you can see, it's about 2 minutes in. The sauce is now all mixed together with the pasta. Now I'm going to be plating it. Right, look at that. Okay, come on over. Okay. First servings right here. Next up, and number 2. Okay, there you go. Grab that cilantro on bowl. Look at that. A little bit of cracked black pepper here. A little Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy it. I sure will. I'll see you next time.